Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a high capacity Apple iPhone 6s lithium batteries for this Apple iPhone 6s. As you see, it says 100% battery level. So actually when you go into the setting, it shows 84%. So be sure to click on the setting gear icon right there, and then you're going to scroll down to battery, which is right here above the privacy. This one's the iPhone 6s. And you want to go ahead and click on the battery health. So as you can see, it only shows 84%. So yeah, the customer complained that their battery doesn't last long. It drains pretty fast. So even though he changed it from the Apple Store with the original battery, and a couple years later, it's still not holding the charge. So I got this one right here. Last time I did the replacement for the iPhone 6s Plus, and then 6 Plus. So let me cut this open. So this brand is by LOCTUS lithium-ion battery. And it says extended 24 months warranty, which is 2 years. And here are some of the warnings. It is made from Shenzhen in China. So this one's the lithium-ion battery, not lithium polymer. So this one has a higher capacity, so it's gonna last longer and charge faster. Unfortunately, 6 and then 6s, they are not compatible. So be sure to get the 6s if you have the iPhone 6s or the iPhone 7. There's some different kind of battery. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So they come with this double-sided tape. Be sure you're going to line up correctly on the bottom side. And this one is the high capacity. So here's the warranty coupon. So 323 number, this is Los Angeles phone number. And it here pretty quick, so this one's the 2200 milliamp. And then 8.40 watt Henry, 3.82 volt. Charge limit voltage is 4.35 volt. And here's the connector right there. And made in China. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.